Hello viewers. Remember we've talked said before that we shall stop saying plus plus, minus minus, minus plus, plus minus. This is because these expressions confuse us the more, or confuse those that are learning mathematics the more. What are we expecting to say? Talk about the expression that we are talking about, the operation that is involved. Instead of saying plus plus, minus minus, minus plus. Sometimes somebody will say, please teacher, minus plus is what? Plus plus is what? Instead of doing that, say it in a specific way so that the person will know exactly what you are saying and you yourself, it will be a clear expression to you. Say minus times minus, if times is what we are dealing with. And then minus times minus will give us plus. Plus times plus will give us plus. Minus times plus will give us minus. And plus times minus will give us minus. In the same vein, if we are talking about division, it means that minus divided by minus will give us plus. Plus divided by plus will give us plus. Minus divided by plus will give you minus. And plus divided by minus will give you minus. So the same way we find it in multiplication is also the same way it is in division. Why is these things important? They are important because plus or minus are the two signs every number must carry. Remember that a number without sign has a positive sign. Assuming you write a number 6 and there's no sign attached to it, it means that it's plus 6. And that positive sign is here, but it is not written. It is important also when we want to multiply or divide, like 4 times 3. Maybe everybody will just tell me it is 12. Yes, but the silent thing we have done there is that plus times plus is plus, and 4 times 3 is 12. And so the positive number is here, whether it is called or not. Whether it is called or not. Plus 12. Yes. However, we begin to notice this difference when we come back and say we have minus 4, for instance, times 3. That's when we now know, another sign that we don't know about has come into it. And so that time we must say minus times plus, whether it's written or not, is plus, is equal to minus. The sign must be written so that the answer will not come after it. 4 times 3 will give us 12. And so obviously we know that this one means minus 12. When we have 4 times minus 3, we know exactly again that plus is here but it's not written. But plus times minus is minus. And 4 times 3 is minus 12 again. And then minus 4 times minus 3 will give us what? Plus, minus times minus will give you plus, and so the sign must have a positive sign. Then 4 times 3 will give you 12, which is plus 12. So, if we are going to divide, the same thing is applicable. As we are going to divide, the same thing is applicable. That 15 divided by 5, I think we know it is 3. Everybody will just say it's 3, actually. But the silent thing there again is that plus are divided plus. Because it's positive answer here, plus sign, which is the sign that belongs to the answer. And so we can make it specific this time around. Instead of saying minus plus, we know that what we are doing is minus 15, for instance, divided by plus 5. When this happens, we first of all handle the signs. And then plus, divide, minus will give you minus. So the answer we are going to get from the division must be a negative sign that carries. 5 divided by 15 will give us 3 as the last answer. Again, if we have plus 20 divided by 4, as it is minus 4, we are going to take it that a negative sign dividing a positive sign is going to give us negative, minus, and so 4 dividing 20 will give you 5. So whenever we are going to talk about minus and minus or plus plus, make it specific. Tell yourself whether what you are doing is multiplication or division. Remember that addition and subtraction is a different thing, which you may apply number line. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, share,